Hey, adventure seekers and freedom lovers. Imagine this. You're miles from anywhere, surrounded by breathtaking natural beauty, and your home on wheels is silently humming. Powered by the sun, completely self-sufficient. No hookups, no crowds, just you and the open road. Sounds like a dream, right? Everything luxury RV and the ultimate boondocking lifestyle. I'm your host, and today, we have something truly special. This isn't just another motorhome. This is the Quantum Cruiser. Just look at this magnificent machine. Its design isn't merely aesthetic. It's a testament to futuristic engineering and extreme functionality. From its aerodynamic lines that whisper through the wind, optimizing fuel efficiency and reducing drag on long hauls, to its robust, multi-axle chassis built for unparalleled stability and weight distribution. The Quantum Cruiser is engineered for the long game. This isn't a weekend warrior. It's a globetrotter designed for extended periods of independence, making it a favorite among serious RV enthusiasts and full-time RVers who prioritize durability and off-grid potential. Think about it. A sleek, almost spaceship-like exterior that's not just for show but reduces wind resistance, contributing to a smoother, quieter ride and, crucially, better fuel economy, a critical factor for any long-distance traveler. The tinted panoramic windows aren't just for privacy. They're double-paned, insulated, and designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping the interior cool in summer and warm in winter, further enhancing its boondocking capabilities by reducing reliance on active heating and cooling systems. Every curve, every panel, every integrated lighting strip on this motorhome has been meticulously crafted for both form and function, setting a new benchmark in luxury RV design. It truly is a marvel of modern motorhome manufacturing, ready to tackle any adventure you throw at it. Now, while the Quantum Cruiser comes incredibly well equipped, serious boondockers know that true off-grid freedom often requires a few strategic upgrades. And that's where some of my favorite aftermarket modifications come into play, transforming an already exceptional RV into an unstoppable fortress of solitude. First up, let's talk power, the lifeblood of any long-term boondocking setup. The Quantum Cruiser, in this configuration, boasts an utterly massive 2,000-watt solar array seamlessly integrated into its expansive roofline. These aren't just standard panels. These are high-efficiency monocrystalline panels designed to capture maximum energy even in less than ideal conditions. But what's power without storage? This beast is equipped with a 24 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery bank. To put that in perspective, that's enough juice to comfortably run all your essential appliances, air conditioning, and even power a full-sized workstation for days, if not weeks, without a single sunbeam, especially when managed efficiently. This isn't just about having power. It's about having reliable, sustainable power that frees you from the grid. Next, for those adventurous souls who dare to venture off paved roads, suspension is paramount. While the stock air suspension is excellent, we've upgraded ours with an enhanced adaptive hydraulic leveling system that not only provides superior ride comfort but also incredible stability on uneven terrain. This system automatically adjusts to road conditions, minimizing sway and maximizing traction, which is crucial when navigating challenging landscapes to find that perfect secluded spot. It also allows for automatic leveling at the push of a button, making setup a breeze. Think about pulling into a remote wilderness area and, within minutes, your motorhome is perfectly level, stable, and ready for living, regardless of the incline or bumps beneath. This combination of robust solar colossal battery storage and advanced suspension means the Quantum Cruiser isn't just capable of off-grid living. It's designed to excel at it, offering peace of mind and unparalleled comfort in the most remote locations. These aren't just mods. They're essential enhancements for the ultimate long-term, self-sufficient RV experience. Stepping inside the Quantum Cruiser is like entering a luxury apartment that just happens to be on wheels. The designers have truly outdone themselves in creating a space that is both incredibly functional and aesthetically stunning. The expansive living area, bathed in natural light from those panoramic windows, is furnished with premium, custom-designed leather seating that converts into additional sleeping space, perfect for guests. The intelligent layout ensures every inch is utilized without feeling cramped. One of the standout features for long-term living is the smart storage system. Everywhere you look, there are cleverly integrated compartments, hidden drawers, and modular shelving units that seem to expand as you need them. From underfloor storage for bulky gear to pneumatic overhead lockers that glide open silently, every item has its designated, easily accessible place. This isn't just about storing things. It's about maintaining an organized, clutter-free environment crucial for mental well-being on extended trips. Now, for those of us who work from the road, a dedicated workspace is non-negotiable. The Quantum Cruiser delivers with a bespoke office nook tucked away discreetly, yet offering ample natural light and connectivity. It features an ergonomic desk with built-in charging ports, a pull-out monitor arm, and sound-dampening panels for focused work. High-speed, satellite-based internet ensures you're always connected, no matter how remote your location. The kitchen is a chef's dream. A full-sized induction cooktop, a convection microwave, a residential-sized refrigerator and freezer, and a deep sink with a filtered water dispenser. There's even a pull-out pantry with adjustable shelving. Cooking elaborate meals off-grid is not just possible, it's a pleasure. The bedroom suite at the rear is a sanctuary of comfort, featuring a king-sized memory foam mattress, ample wardrobe space, and its own climate control zone. The en-suite bathroom boasts a spacious walk-in shower with continuous hot water thanks to the tankless heater, a composting toilet for water conservation, and elegant, modern fixtures. Every detail, from the ambient LED lighting to the integrated sound system throughout, has been meticulously planned to create an unparalleled living experience, making the Quantum Cruiser truly feel like a home away from home. Ready for any long-term adventure? Alright, off-grid enthusiasts. This is where the Quantum Cruiser truly shines and sets itself apart from nearly every other motorhome on the market. Let's get technical and dive deep into the heart of its self-sufficiency: the utility systems. Power is managed by a state-of-the-art 10,000-watt pure sine wave inverter, ensuring clean, stable power for even the most sensitive electronics. This monster inverter handles everything from the air conditioning units to kitchen appliances without breaking a sweat, preventing power surges and protecting your valuable gear. It's seamlessly integrated with the 24 kilowatt-hours lithium battery bank and the 2,000-watt solar array, all governed by an advanced maximum power point tracking MPPT solar charge controller, which optimizes power harvesting from the sun. The entire system is monitored and controlled via a central touchscreen panel, providing real-time data on battery status, solar input, and power consumption. You can literally see how much energy you're generating and using, allowing for intelligent power management. Water management is equally impressive. The Quantum Cruiser features a massive 300-gallon fresh water tank, complemented by a sophisticated multi-stage water filtration system. This system not only removes impurities but also sterilizes the water, making it safe for drinking straight from the tap, even if you filled your tanks from a less than pristine source. This is crucial for extended boondocking where access to potable water can be scarce. For hot water, we have a high-efficiency on-demand tankless water heater, providing endless hot showers without the weight or the waste of heating a large tank. This system is not only convenient but also incredibly energy efficient, drawing power only when hot water is needed. And for waste, the Quantum Cruiser utilizes a large gray water tank and, for the black water, advanced composting toilet system dramatically reduces water usage and the frequency of dump station visits. For gray water, a discreetly located, easily accessible dump station makes the process quick and sanitary. Furthermore, a built-in gray water recycling system can be activated to process shower and sink water for flushing the toilet, further extending your off-grid capabilities. These systems, working in harmony, provide unparalleled independence, allowing you to stay in your dream locations longer with all the comforts of home without worrying about external hookups. This isn't just about survival off-grid. It's about thriving. Now, with all this luxury and technology packed into one vehicle, you might be wondering, what's it like to actually drive this futuristic behemoth? And I can tell you, the driving experience of the Quantum Cruiser is nothing short of extraordinary. Despite its imposing size, it handles with surprising agility and responsiveness, thanks to its sophisticated all-wheel drive system and that adaptive hydraulic suspension we talked about earlier. The cabin is incredibly quiet, insulated from road noise and engine hum, creating a serene environment for long journeys. The panoramic windshield offers an expansive view of the road ahead, and the advanced digital dashboard provides all critical information at a glance, including a comprehensive 360-degree camera system that eliminates blind spots, making maneuvering in tight spots far less intimidating than you'd expect for a vehicle of this stature. Under the hood, this particular model is equipped with an incredibly efficient yet powerful hybrid electric powertrain. While precise fuel economy will always vary with driving conditions, we've found that the regenerative braking and electric assist significantly boost MPG compared to conventional diesel luxury coaches, often delivering an impressive 8 to 10 miles per gallon. For a motorhome of this size and capability, that's truly remarkable, making those long cross-country trips more affordable and environmentally conscious. So, for the serious RV enthusiast, why choose the Quantum Cruiser? My top 3 reasons are clear. Firstly, unparalleled off-grid capability. The combination of massive solar, battery storage, and advanced water systems means true independence. You can stay out longer, explore deeper, and enjoy solitude like never before. Secondly, next-level durability and reliability. This vehicle is built like a tank but drives like a dream. Designed to withstand the rigors of continuous travel in diverse environments, ensuring peace of mind for years to come. And finally, sumptuous comfort and intelligent design. Every inch of the interior is crafted for luxury, livability, and productivity, transforming the challenges of remote living into an experience of pure indulgence. The Quantum Cruiser isn't just a motorhome. It's an investment in a lifestyle of limitless adventure and unparalleled freedom. And that, my friends, is the Quantum Cruiser, a true game-changer in the world of luxury motorhomes and off-grid living. It's a testament to innovation, designed for those who refuse to compromise on comfort, capability, or freedom. This isn't just about reaching a destination. It's about embracing the journey, making every mile an experience and every remote campsite a 5-star retreat. It's about disconnecting from the ordinary and reconnecting with what truly matters, all from the comfort and self-sufficiency of your own mobile paradise. What do you think of the Quantum Cruiser? Are these the features you look for in your ultimate boondocking rig? We love hearing from our community. So, tell us in the comments below, what are your absolute best RV hacks for long-term boondocking? What's one feature you can't live without in your motorhome? Your insights are invaluable, and we often feature your tips in our future videos. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of luxury RVs, please hit that like button. Subscribe to Motorhomes USA for more incredible tours and boondocking adventures. And ring that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep cruising towards your next great adventure.